Okay, this is going to be about adding content to your PBN site. Now, you need to do it cheaply, right? Because you don't want to spend too much time, you don't want to spend too much effort in maintaining these sites and getting fresh content for them. And because content is really difficult. I mean, yeah, that is one of the major challenges today in SEO. Just having content that looks legit and that's proper, of decent quality. And doesn't get detected by some of the filters that Google keeps throwing out at us. So you can go to Buzzsumo quickly. That's one tip I use. I mean, to find popular content, and you can just sort of have someone rewrite it really quick. You'll find the trending topics for your specific niche or keyword, and that's a really good tool. And it does give you some amount of free results. So otherwise, it's pretty expensive. So. But that's one keyword tool that you could use, and then you go down the content curation path. That's something that's being used a lot nowadays. Basically, that's when you take content from different sources and all talking about the same particular topic, and you just put them together, summarize them, and you can use cut and paste and use the same content. So it is duplicate content, but they're small chunks from different places on the web about the same topic. And as long as you cite it, it's perfectly fine, and you can give a backlink to the original source from where you took this the snippets, and in the end you can just summarize it, or you can not summarize it. But that's working fine, and you can use that for your PBN site for some of the pages. And then you can also have an infographic which you take from somewhere else, which is related to your niche, and then you can link out to the original source, and you can explain the infographic in your own words. So that's one trick. And then there's a transcribe a video trick, which is you take a popular video or some video which is there on your niche, and it's an info video about your topic, about your keyword, and you just get somebody on some of the transcribe sites, just type it out and just write it out and send you the text, and you cut and paste that onto your site. And then of course you should cite the original video itself, so you should link out to that. It's just good to do. And then you can have a couple of posts that are just image posts, so about your industry, and they just image posts. They could have like 15 or 20 posts on your particular it could be anything. It could be just industry related, right, or niche related posts. Keep in mind, Google can now, with their algorithm, also detect what an image is about. It's getting more and more intelligent using the deep learning. So make sure the images are just not random images, and they're relevant images that are relevant to your niche or location, or for whatever PBN site you're adding the content to. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.